shiny and red, crunchy and tasty, that's what we said. B is for ball, it bounces so high, sparkles and jumps almost to the sky. C is for cat, who says meow loud, tiptoes around and feels so proud. D is for drum, goes dum dum dum, we dance to the beat, it's so much fun. E is for elephant, walking tall, with his long trunk he greets us all. F is for fish, swimming in delight, wiggling and splashing left and right. G is for giraffe, with neck so long, eating leaves while humming a song. H is for hat, to wear on your head, red, blue, green, or rainbow instead. I is for igloo, a house made of snow, cold and cold, frosty glow. J is for jelly, so wobbly and sweet, soft and jiggly, a yummy treat. K is for kite, flying up so high, dancing and twirling in the sky. L is for lion, king of the wild, with a mighty roar and a royal style. M is for monkey, swinging on trees, he jumps and giggles in the breeze. N is for nest, where chicks go cheep, safe and warm when they fall asleep. O is for owl, awake at night, with big round eyes full of sight. P is for parrot, so bright and sweet, talking and singing with a rhythmic beat. Q is for queen, with a golden crown, smiles with grace in her royal gown. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast, into the bushes running past. S is for sun, shining so bright, waking the world with morning light. T is for train, chug chug it goes through